Welcome back to my channel. Today we will talking about top 4 UK 3 pence coins from the years 1953, 1955, 1956 and 1957, uncovering their historical significance and, of course, their value at heritage auctions. Let's kick things off with the 1953 UK 3 pence coin. This coin holds a special place in history as it marked the coronation year of Queen Elizabeth II. It's made of nickel brass and features a stunning design. The value of this coin at heritage auctions can vary, but on average, it's known to fetch around $98,000. Now, let's move on to the 1955 coin. The 1955 UK 3 pence coin is another gem in our collection. It's made of the same nickel brass composition and features a portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. This coin has a unique appeal due to its limited mintage, which makes it highly sought after by collectors. Its estimated value at heritage auctions ranges from $78,500. Next up, we have the 1956 UK 3 pence coin. This coin is a true representation of the mid-1950s design and craftsmanship. It's known for its intricate details and, of course, its historical significance. At heritage auctions, the 1956 3 pence coin has been known to fetch an average of $100,000, making it a valuable addition to any collection. Last but certainly not least, we have the 1957 UK 3 pence coin. This coin, like the others, showcases the portrait of Queen Elizabeth II. However, each year brings its uniqueness in design and historical context. The 1957 3 pence coin is no exception. On the auction block at heritage auctions, its value ranges from $53,800. So, there you have it, folks, the top 4 UK 3 pence coins. Each of these coins tells a story of its time and their values at heritage auctions. If you're lucky enough to own any of these coins, consider yourself a guardian of British numismatic history. If you enjoyed this video and want to see more coin-related content, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.